Isn't crossing off a to-do just the best feeling? Well, it is for planner people like me. But then there's also the filling out the planner, the adding the stickers, and all of that's great too. I've even heard that some of you spend hundreds of dollars a year on your planner stickers. You know who you are. So today I'm sharing how you can print your very own planner stickers using Canon's new PIXMA TR8620, their wireless all-in-one photo printer, and their awesome restickable photo paper. This stuff is the best. I went ahead and illustrated some super cute planner stickers for all of my brides, my boss babes, and my busy mamas out there. Click the link in the description box, which will take you straight to something turquoise, so that you can download the stickers right to your phone and then print them for free. The first step is to connect your phone with your printer, which was super easy using this new TR8620. It was probably the easiest phone printer setup I've ever had. From unboxing to printing, it literally took me 21 minutes, which is amazing for something like that. It pretty much does everything for you. Next, visit our website and download the planner stickers. You can download one or download them all. Scroll to the end of the post, click on each design, hold it down, and then click the button that says Save Image so that you can save them to your phone. Now we're ready to print our stickers. A great feature of the TR8620 is that it has two paper trays. It has the normal bottom cassette where you can keep your regular printer paper so that it's in there and ready whenever you need to print regular stuff. And then the rear feed tray is my favorite to keep thicker or specialty photo papers in, just like the 4x6 restickable photo paper that we're using today. Now we're going to open the Canon Print app and select the photo print option. I have already saved the stickers on my phone, so I'm going to select, let's see, I think I can select all of them. All 5. Great. And we're going to go print, and that is just how easy it is to print from your phone to the new TR8620. So I'm going to speed this up as all of our prints come out. Okay, so I'm a freak and I hate when I put my planner stickers down crooked, and usually, you know, when you peel them off it just makes it worse anyways. So it's like you either have to cover them with another sticker or peel it off and then put another sticker down anyway. Not anymore, because the restickable photo paper is not only fantastic for writing on, but it peels off perfectly. It's like a planner sticker dream. So our last step is to simply just cut out all of our stickers. Each sheet took me about 8 minutes, which was no big deal. And now I've got them all in this cute little dish and they're ready when I need them. I hope you enjoy these stickers and that they help you make the best plans for this new year. If you're looking for more printable projects, please check out our website and click on the free Printable tab. And if you haven't already, you absolutely must check out the Canon Creative Park app. It's full of terrific, beautiful projects for the entire family. You're gonna love it. Happy crafting, everyone. Sticker removal success.